Scientific Study of Rig Veda, class 51. Now we are going through the Sukta 23 of Mandal 1. We have already seen mantra 1 to 12. Now today we are going through the mantra 13, 14 and 15. Here the Devata is Pushava. Actually Pushava is sun. But sun can be divided into several types, that is in 12 types as per Veda. Because sun in one season is very hot, at another time it is very calm in nature, and likewise it is influencing us also. This is produced due to the movement of the earth around the sun in an elliptical orbit. Likewise, instead of sun, we are using another type of energy, that is electrical energy. That also is a form of energy that is obtaining due to the movement of a coil inside a magnetic field. That is the principle of the generator. That coil is known as Kusha as per Veda. So, here Pushava is trying to give us electricity, a substitute for sun energy, due to its influence in the generator or in the coil that is moving inside the north and south pole of a magnet. Based on this, let us go through the mantra one by one. Now let us go through the 13th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-13. ആ പുഞ്ചഞ്ചി ആ പൂഷഞ്ചി ത്രബർഹിഷാ മാഘൃണേ തരുണം ദിവാ ആജാനഷ്ടം യഥാ പശും.
Now let us go through the 13th mantra, which says it produces light. It is shining. This Pushava is shining means it gives us light energy, like the sun itself. How? Like we collecting those horses, those cows that are lost already. We are searching for a cow which is lost so far, and then we are bringing it back. Likewise, this Pushava also gives us this energy by collecting these horses. Horses are cows. Cows, as per Veda, cow is electron. From where? From this Kusha. Kusha means, as per Veda, Kusha means coil. So the electron is there in the coil, electromagnetic coil, this copper insulated coil wire, that is armature. Inside the armature, a number of electromagnetic wires are wound on a frame, and these are made up of atoms. Coils are made up of atoms, and inside the atom there is nucleus and electron revolving around it. So there is like a hole, and inside that hole electrons are there inside the atom, and it is like a hole. Inside it the electrons are hidden, and in the coil, by rotating this coil, armature coil, electricity is coming out. How? This Pushava brings that electrons from the coils and gives to us, like we are taking back a lost cow from its possession to our cowshed. Now let us go through the 14th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-14. പൂഷാ രാജാനം ആഘൃണിൻ അപഗ്ലുഹം ഉഹാഹിതം അവിന്ദ ചിത്ര ബർഹിഷം.
It also says this pushav is shining, it will produce light, and it is collecting this cow or electron or electricity which is hidden inside the hole of the atom. Hole means the atom is like at the center there is nucleus and around it there is electron revolving around it. On seeing it, it is like a well. So it is like a hole. Oh, in that hole, electrons are hidden in position. Hidden. It is necessary to take it out. Then only we will get electron in the electron flow. That is electricity in the outer circuit. That pushav is taking part in that action, and it takes back that electrons from this pusha. Pusha means coil, that copper insulated wire coil, and it is collecting from the pole. Pole means that atom. It is far inside it. From there the electrons are taken out and gives us light. Now let us go through the 15th mantra.
ഋഗ്വേദം മണ്ഡലം 1 സൂക്തം 23-15. ഉദോസ മഹിഭിന്ദുഭി ഷഡ്യുക്താം അനുശേഷിധ ഗോഭിർയവം ന ചർകൃഷത്.
It says our farmers are collecting different types of products. For example, wheat is getting at some time, rice is getting we are getting rice, fruit, vegetable, etc. from its plants at different intervals at different seasons. Depending on the season, we are cultivating different type plants, and we are getting the fruits at different seasons. Likewise, we are using this technology with the help of pushav. We are collecting this electricity. So pushav is responsible for producing electricity in the coil due to the movement of the coil inside the magnet. Two magnetic poles between the two moving the coil inside between two magnetic poles, north and south pole. There is a field in between it. Likewise, the seasons are also moving. How the earth is revolving around the sun in an elliptical orbit. So there is a variation, and due to this variation different seasons are forming, and that is responsible for these farmers cultivating different types of seeds at different times. We are cultivating rice, wheat, etc. at one season, and we are cultivating vegetable, etc. at another season, and so on, based on these seasons, and we are taking the product from it. Likewise, using this movement of the coil inside the field, there also we are getting output. That is, the output is electron coming out in the form of electricity. So pushav means a substitute for sun Actually, it is another form of sun. Everything is energy. Sun is giving us energy. Push-up is also giving energy. That is in the form of electron, flow of electron. That is electricity. Both these are possible due to the movement. Here, in the case of sun, Earth is moving around the sun in a definite path due to which seasons are forming and we are getting productivity, different types of products. Likewise, these coils, here coil means Kushagrass, coil. Coil is moving in such a way so as to get the electron flow outward. Both this movement of one in a particular way is seen. In this case of sun, Earth is moving around it, and in the case of generator, this armature is moving between these magnetic poles.